Welcome to today's session, Reading and Analysis of Maps. So, let us in the beginning discuss what is the difference between a map and a photograph. Children, observe this. This is a photograph which has been taken from the sky, and if you observe this photograph here, it shows only the picture you can see, but there are no any specific features which you can observe. But here you see this is a map. Now, what is the difference between a photograph and a map? On a map, we can mention the features that we want. For example, if I want to know about rivers, if I want to know about the population, if I want to know about the physical features, then perfectly I can locate it on a map. But the picture is not, or a photograph is not such. See, in a photograph we can observe all the features. We cannot observe any particular feature. But on a map you can show a particular features, like for example, as I said, rivers or population or rainfall, etc., which cannot be seen in a photograph. Okay? So, that is the difference between a map and a photograph. Now, let us discuss about how these maps were made. How do you know about these maps? Today we have having perfect maps with the latitudes and longitudes drawn. But how it started actually? See here, we can say that the earliest maps were made by Sumerians. It was made on clay tablet. It was made on clay tablets, and it was made about 4000 years ago. The Sumerians made, or you can say drew maps, not perfect maps as you can say, they drew maps on clay tablets. The Sumerians had, the priests you can say in these people were given land as grants. And they had to keep a record of these lands. The income that they got from this land had to be recorded. So, how can they record this? How they can keep it in their mind? All the lands that were given to them cannot be kept in mind. Okay? So, it has to be made or kept somewhere. So, that is why they started drawing such kind of maps showing the location of their lands. So, this is how we find that the earliest Sumerians about 4000 years ago started making the maps in order to locate or in order to record their lands and the income which they got from the land. The next were the Babylonians. See here, the Babylonians, they drew map on the clay tablet about 2600 years ago. 2600 years ago. Now, they imagined, see here you can see, they imagined the world as a round disc. They imagined the world as a round disc, you can observe here. And they could not notice the place beyond where they lived. So, what they did, they only marked the area where they stayed in the center. The place where they lived, they marked it at the center, and the place which they did not know about were drawn in the form of triangles. Here you see, so these triangles are the islands which they did not know about, and the area around was surrounded by Bitter River. It was surrounded by Bitter River. Okay, so this is the map made by the Babylonians. So, what they did? The place where they lived in was located in the center, and the things that they saw around, they observed them as islands, so which they located in the form of triangle, and around them the sea, they felt that it was the bitterest river. Okay. So, these are the earliest maps, first by the Sumerians 4000 years ago. Next by the Babylonians, that is 2600 years ago. What is the difference here? You can find any difference between the maps made by the Sumerians and the Babylonians? Yes, the Sumerians only drew maps to locate their land, But here we find that the Babylonians, they drew the place where they were, and they also have drawn some kind of islands which they have observed and the sea around them, and they called it as the bitterest sea. Okay. So, that is the introduction part of maps and what are the earliest maps and what is the difference between a map and a photograph.